What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. And then do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. And then do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. As always, today we have another fabulous, outstanding show to bring to you guys. We will be talking about one of the most hottest meme coins to hit the scene over the past few months. But first, before we get into that, first, let's take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, Bitcoin is still moving strong. It's still moving mean. A lot of folks are getting excited, seeing what Bitcoin is doing, and getting excited with the expectations of where Bitcoin could possibly go from where it is right now. Currently, Bitcoin is $71,263. We know over the past few months we saw Bitcoin trade sideways, 66,000, 67, 68,000. Now we are sitting in the $71,000 range, which is excellent. We know the all-time high is in the $73,000 range, so we're looking for that point. If Bitcoin can test the resistance level and try to break through new all-time highs, that is something that we are looking at. Currently, the Fear and Greed Index is at 66. A few days ago, we saw the Fear and Greed Index get to 60. I believe we even saw it get to 59. So the positive sentiment around the market is starting to increase. The Fear and Greed Index is increasing as Bitcoin starts to increase. The Bitcoin dominance currently right now is at 53.2%. That's a great level for the Bitcoin dominance to be at. Yeah, we would love to see it in the 52% range, in the 51% range. We'll get there. It's a process. Nothing happens overnight. We are trusting the process and we are having great patience, understanding that things will happen over a period of a time and things will not happen overnight. So we understand that. Now, let's get into the coin of the day, and that is none other than Turbo Coin. Turbo Coin is one of the most hottest coins around. This coin have been making exponential gains over the past few months. A lot of folks have been making a lot of money in Turbo Coin. Currently, Turbo Coin is 0.0063. Up today, 5%. The market cap on Turbo Coin is $405 million market cap. Now, we know a few weeks ago, this coin got to 0.009. It got rejected when it tried to hit the 1 penny mark. It tried to drop a zero. It hit resistance level, made new all-time highs, but it got rejected right there at the 1 penny mark. So currently, Turbo Coin is going through a correction. It pulled back about 40%. We understand that's what happened with meme coins especially. We've seen Turbo do this before. We've seen it hit great levels. We've seen it pump for 2-3 days at a time. And then when this joker crashed, it really started to crash hard. So we understand that we have had the crash. We have had the correction. Typically and normally after the correction, Turbo continues to pump, making new highs and continuing its parabolic momentum. So we're looking for Turbo to take this level where it's at right now, 0.0063, and start to pump, resurface, continue to climb, and break that resistance level of 1 penny, dropping another zero on the way. We know there's some positive news have been coming around about Turbo. There have been some exchange approvals for Turbo. One of the most recent and one of the important ones was crypto.com. We understand that crypto.com is now in partnership with Turbo. That was huge. Crypto.com is one of the largest crypto exchanges out there. Great tier 1 exchange. That was great news for Turbo, and that momentum will be shown during this pump after 0.006. So we're going to see how Turbo respond with that news. Also, we know Binance have listed Turbo on the futures list, not on the spot buy yet, but it is on the futures list. And we know typically after that, this thing will be on the direct spot buy of Binance. Who knows who will be partnering and approving Turbo after this? Will it be COINBASE? Will it be Robinhood? There is so many more huge positive potentials for Turbo to achieve. We understand Turbo community is huge. Turbo momentum is large. The popularity for this coin is growing. So it's always good when you have these meme coins. The popularity is huge. The community is huge. And not only that, we understand the characteristics of a play like Turbo and how it can pump and how it have been pumping. You know, we've been in Turbo since it was about a $20 million market cap. Now Turbo is over a $400 million market cap. So that is a 20x within a matter of 7-8 months, however long we've been being patient in Turbo. Altcoin season have not even started yet. So who knows where Turbo can be. Currently it's the number 239th largest cryptocurrency coin in the world. At the top of this doggone cycle in 2025, it's going to be interesting to continue to monitor and track Turbo and see where this coin will end up. Like I said, come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. We're always talking about the various cryptocurrency plays, what's going on in the market, what should I do with my portfolio, when is the Bitcoin top going to be, when should I sell. It's great to have a community to where you can have that dialogue and bounce the different opinions and information off of the person that is next to you in that community. But like I say, I just come to y'all every day just to continue to give y'all that good motivation, coming to y'all every day to give y'all that good encouragement. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.